Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy. Let us solve question number 93. The question is, the single phase reluctance machine can be made to work as a generator, okay, when mechanical power is supplied to the shaft. So this is possible when mechanical power is increased and load angle becomes negative, and this mechanical power is increased and load angle becomes positive, and mechanical power is a decreased and angle becomes the 60 degrees. Mechanical power is a decreased and load angle becomes 45 degrees. So this is the question which asked in IES 2021. So the answer for this question is a mechanical power is increased, load angle is a positive. How? I will explain this part here. So first one, reluctance motor is nothing but single phase, okay, single phase synchronous motor. So that is a reluctance motor is a, the reluctance, okay, motor is nothing but the single phase, the synchronous motor. Okay, it is a one type of the single phase synchronous motor. So which operates on the principle of, actually rotor rotates, the rotor always choose the minimum reluctance path. So every time it chooses the minimum reluctance path and rotor will be rotated. Okay, this is, and the reluctance in the generating mode, suppose reluctance, the generator, okay, the reluctance machine, the reluctance, the machine, reluctance, the machine, the work as the generator. Okay, this is the work as a generator. Now which type of the generator? That is the single phase, the synchronous generator part. So in the single phase synchronous generator, so what will happen? The generator point, it converts the mechanical power. So generator definition point of view, so it converts the mechanical power, the or mechanical input power. So this is the mechanical power into electrical power. So this is the input is a the mechanical power and output is a electrical power. So this is the basic definition of the generator. So as a mechanical power increases, it acts as a the generators. But what about the load angle, whether it is a positive or negative? So how we can answer this question? We know that, so this is a, the, let us assume the flux, field flux phi f is equal to phi maximum sin omega t. So EMF induced in the stator winding. So EF is equal to, that is the flux EMF due to, EF is nothing but, so this EMF, okay, induced, so due to, induced in the stator of synchronous generator due to the field flux. So this is the, actually EF is equal to the E maximum sin omega t minus the 90 degrees. Space angle between these two is equal to the 90 degrees here. So let's, what will happen in the angle, load angle, let us assume. So initially I am taking, so this is the field flux, so it is a reference point of view, and excitation EMF, okay, this is our excitation EMF, so EF. So what is the load, and this is the here angle between these two. So this is the reference I have taken, the field flux is the reference, excitation EMF leads the field flux by 90 degrees. So example point, okay, it is a operated at lagging power factors. So we can take leading power factor also, there is no problem. So if lagging power factor means, so this is a, okay, this the lagging power factor means armature current lags, okay, this armature current IA lags the this excitation EMF by psi. Okay, this is the internal load power factors. Now what about armature flux? Okay, this is a armature flux phi A. So in phase with the armature current. So now what about the resultant? Okay, this is a the phi A, right? Okay, this one is a phi A. So now this is called the resultant, okay, phi R. So this phi R is equal to phi F minus the phi A. So this resultant flux is a So here less okay as compared to the field flux definitely. So now what about the terminal voltage? Okay, this is a terminal voltage, the VT. So this is nothing but, so it is a okay angle, this one is a 90 degrees, okay, and this angle between these two, it is equal to delta, so load angle, and this is also the load angle delta 1. So that by using this we can say that, so here excitation EF the leads the terminal voltage VT, so by delta, okay, this, so that here delta is nothing but, okay, it is a, so delta is positive values, okay. Now similarly, so another way also we can say that the resultant, okay, this one is the reference. So now this field flux phi f, so leads, okay, this is the leads the resultant flux, okay, by delta. So now this is a delta is the positive in case of the generator's point of view, okay. This is the synchronous the generator vector diagrams. So always mechanical input is increases, the delta is a positive. If you take leading power factor also, what will happen? So this is comes, suppose if you want to a question per leading power factor, what will happens, okay, this the leading power factors. So here same thing I have taken, so excitation, this is the field flux, right, okay, phi f, and excitation EMF, okay, this is the EF. So per leading power factor, what will happen? So armature current leads, okay, IA leads at an angle of the internal power factor psi. So now armature flux is a the in phase with the armature currents, okay, this one is a phi A. So now what will happen? Okay, this is a armature flux phi A, right? So that's why the phi A is added here. So this is a the resultant flux, okay, phi R, phi resultant. So now here phi resultant is a greater than the phi F. So definitely, so this terminal voltage is a more as compared to this angle between this is a 90 degrees. So now it is a terminal voltage, okay, this angle is a delta and this is angle also delta value. So in leading power factor also, so what will happen? So excitation EMF, okay, leads the terminal voltage by the delta, okay. Now similar way, so this field flux phi f, okay, leads the terminal, this is the resultant flux the by delta, okay. That's why we can say that E at an angle of the delta, where delta is a positive value. So now in this case also, second case and first case both also the positive values, okay. So this is the exact explanation about, so this part, okay. Here mechanical power increases, angle becomes positive, okay. All of you got it? Always in the generating mode the load angle is a positive, in the motoring mode load angle is the negative. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you.